Hi guys, today we are learning how to enable offline maps on Google Maps. First, unlock your phone and launch the Google Maps app. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account so you can access all available features. Once the app opens, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. This will open the account menu where you'll find different Google Maps settings and tools. Now, from the list of options, tap Offline Maps. This section allows you to download maps so you can use them even when you don't have an internet connection. Next, tap Select your own map. A blue selection box will appear, allowing you to choose the exact area you want to save for offline use. Move and resize the blue selection box until it covers the area you want to download. Once you've selected the desired region, tap Download to save it to your device. After the download is complete, you'll be able to use that map without an internet connection whenever you're in that area. And that's how you can enable offline maps on Google Maps and use them without an internet connection. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below for more simple tutorials.